As with all Packo pumps, cleanability is the highest priority. This is a twin screw pump made by Packo for pumping fluids from 1 to 1 million centipoise, making it extremely versatile. The pumping action has no pulsation and prevents shear of sensitive media. Typical media could be water-thin, clean solvents through to thick pastes, fat and syrup. As with all Packo pumps, cleanability is the highest priority. To achieve this, parts in contact with the product are electro-polished, which removes dead spots. This, coupled with the pump's design, means it is compliant across the board. Maintenance managers will be pleased to hear the pump can be serviced in situ without removing it from the line. The screw and seal are front-loaded, so access to them couldn't be easier. The range can meet many duty requirements with multiple motor and gearbox configurations and is available with Hygienic or standard connections. Thank you for watching Verder in 60 seconds. I'm Lee White and I'll see you on the next video.